Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna see how to create Teamcenter projects. I'm gonna show you how to create and modify projects and how to assign users to the projects and how to add user data to the projects. So let's get started. What are projects? A project is an application in Teamcenter where you can organize and grant or control access to the data. You can share this data to the multiple organizations such as project teams, development teams, suppliers, and customers. So let's go into Teamcenter and see how to create a project. So in order to create a project, you have to be in project perspective. Just click on the project and make sure you give an unique ID here. So I'm giving EP-0010 and name I'm just giving software project 1. You can give any description here. I'm just giving test. If you want to give the project category, you can select that from the drop down. I'm just selecting supplier. So the next step would be how to assign users. So I'm going to assign myself as a team administrator. So let's go into engineer. So just double click on the name and you see I have assigned Rafa to this project EP-0010. Now I see a create button here. So click on that create. It says like you need to have a team administrator for this project. So let's cancel this. So right click on the name. So I'm gonna select a project team administrator to this project. So now I have a user who is a team administrator. Now go ahead and create. So I have this project created. So let's go back to any user. I'm going to assign a user here. So if you want to give privilege access to the user, right click on it, set privileged users. I'm going to explain you later what is privileged user. So and click on modify. So that is how you assign users to the project. So coming to the project administrator and team member hierarchy. So let me explain you. You have three different roles. You have team administrator, privileged team members, and team members. The team administrator is the one who can add members to the projects and who can also remove members from the project. So it's kind of a super user. So privileged team members can assign or remove data to the projects. Team members, they don't have access to assign objects or to remove objects, but they can still view the objects within the project. So that is the basic difference between these three roles. So let's go back to Teamcenter and add some data to the project which we created. So let's go back to my Teamcenter. So I have an item here called 0025 test. So I'm going to assign this item to the project. So right click on the item revision, click on project, assign, and click on the project whichever you want to assign. So I'm going to assign this item revision to the software project 1. So click on OK. So this item revision should be assigned to that project. Now go back to my projects, open the project which we created. Now click on the project specifications. Now you see that item revision is attached to that project. You might see the different folder configuration here. So this is done through smart folder configuration. I'll cover that in a different video. So because that's going to need the BMID configuration. Yep, so that's how you add data to the projects which you create. In this way, you can assign PDFs or doc files to the projects. So that's it for today, guys. Just let me know if you have any questions in the comments section. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. And stay safe. Peace.